Okay, so by now I hope that you're comfortable with sort of, edit, the Latin filler content, or taken out some of these modules or added some of your own pictures, and you're starting to get a sense for how this homepage works. Now, the homepage is the most important thing on your website because it's obviously where everyone's going to end up first. So you want to make sure that you get as much of your most pertinent content just right there, real scrollable, just right on your homepage. As people scroll down, they just keep learning more about you. But you might find that you want to add some pages and also some additional menu items. Now, certainly you can just edit the home page, edit the About Us page and the Contact Us page, and leave it at that, and you should be good, except for, of course, changing out the logo, which I'll explain in the next video. But in this video, I want to explain how to add some other pages and how to edit this menu up here. So right now we have 3 pages: the home page, the About Us page, and the Contact Us page. And again, you've maybe been editing some of this and learning how these modules work, and you started to play around with it. It really isn't that complicated if you give it a little bit of time and learn the back end. It's worth your time so that you can edit your own website and save yourself a lot of money and also just keep building your brand. But again, I'm going to explain how to add a page. So simplest way to do this, I'm already logged in, is I'm just going to come up here to New, and I'm going to say New Page. Now from the back end, you can do it like this. Go over here to Pages, and you see we have All Pages and Add New. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Add New. So again, you can do it from the front end if you're logged in, just go right here, or from the back end, you can do it right here. So I'm going to just call this my test page for right now. I'm going to go ahead and click on Use the Divi Builder because it will bring you to that familiar Divi Builder background module idea. And I'm going to go ahead and, for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to load from the library one of the predefined layouts. So let's just scroll down here for a second, and I'm going to add our team. I'm going to add a sales page. I'm going to load the sales page. And so now there's my sales page. I don't even know what this looks like, but I get a sense from the back end, and I'll certainly see it on the front end. Again, I can delete any of these modules. But for now, I'm just trying to show you how to add a page and then how to also add it to the menu if you want to. Now, you don't have to add a page to the menu, but certainly you can. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this page. So it's going to be hairbysarah.com/test. And then there is my... So that page is now created. I'm going to go ahead and view the page. And the page looks like this. So that's what my page looks like. Ooh, I've got some plans and pricing in there. That's great. And I've got some customer tutorials in there. This is a great page. Okay, so, and some frequently asked questions. Again, you can edit all of this in the back end, but this is what this test page looks like. Okay, so now this page exists on my website. Again, I don't have to add it to the menu, but I certainly can add it to the menu if it's a sort of a top menu type of item. Now, let's say that it is, because I want to show you how to add a page to the menu. So what you want to do is go into the back end. I'm done with this page. I've already updated it. And I'm going to go into Appearance, and I'm going to go into Menus. I'm going to click on Menus. And here is the basic menu structure. Now notice, in the menu structure, we already have Home, About Us, and Contact Us, right? That's how it comes prepackaged to you. Home, About Us, and Contact Us. So let's say that I'm going to go in here and I say, you know what, I really don't want About Us on this page. I can just open it up and click on Remove, and that will get rid of the About Us page. And I can come in and I can say I'm going to add this test page to the menu. And so now that test page is going to be right in here. If you want to nest your menus, you can just grab it, click it, and drag it over. And I'm going to make it a sub-menu of my home menu. Again, you probably wouldn't want to do that, but you might want to create just more and more pages and then nest them right in your website. So I'm going to save it just to show you what that would look like. On the front end, I hit refresh. Notice the About Us is gone, but there's still Contact Us. And you notice now Home has a down arrow because there's my test. So, and then I can click on that to see the test page. And now I'm on the test page. So that is how you add pages to your website, and then how you add pages that you'd like to your menu. Now, one more thing I want to show you, just if I go into all pages, I click into all pages, I can go in and see, okay, here's a sample page. I'm going to trash that one. Here's this test page I just created. I can trash it if I want to. Let's say that I'm going to go ahead and trash that page. I can go in to my trash now. I'm going to empty the trash. You don't have to empty it, but I'm going to go ahead and empty the trash. So now those things are gone. They're off of my website. Let's say I want to go back into the menu item, and I say, you know what, I'm going to put the About Us back in there. I'm going to add it to the menu. I'm going to move it up in the proper order, and I'm going to save that menu. So that's all done. Now, you can also add additional menus. You can create another menu, and you can make it the secondary menu or the footer menu. I'm not going to show you that in this video. That'll be for another video. But this will be enough to get you started on pages and menus. So if you want to start creating some additional pages for your website, you can do that now. And in the next video, we're going to explain how to go in here and change the logo and also add your social media icons to your menu.